This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Charming 3-bedroom home in Lehigh Acres. Welcome to your new rental home in the heart of Lehigh Acres, Florida. This inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence features a spacious split-bedroom floor plan, offering both privacy and comfort. Almost 1,200 square feet of living space. With a large driveway and a 2-car garage, parking is a breeze. Step inside to discover tile flooring throughout, creating a sleek and low-maintenance living space. The home has been freshly painted and is ready for you to move in immediately. Enjoy the convenience of laundry hookups and a patio out back, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Located in a great neighborhood, you'll be close to Fort Myers and major roadways, making commuting and accessing local amenities effortless. Don't miss this opportunity to make this lovely home yours. For more information, review the details below.